repentance for magicians because they mention that لا توبة للساحر. There is no repentance for the magician. What do the scholars mean by that? They mean in dunya his repentance is not accepted. How? For example, if there is in this village there is a magician, then we told the police, they caught him, they bring him to the police station or to the court, and they prove that he is using magic. Then he said, Astaghfirullah wa tubu ilayh. I am repenting to Allah. I will not come again to magic. I will go to the masjid. I will live in the masjid. I will pray. I will do umrah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Okay, he's doing repentance. Okay, we should not accept his repentance and we should kill him. This is the meaning that there is no repentance for him. But in the akhirah, in the hereafter, okay, he will be in paradise. Why? Because he repented to Allah. We deal with what he appears for us, but his heart, this is between him and Allah. So if he did a sincere repentance, Allah will put him in paradise. But in front of us, the scholars, not all of us, all of them, some of them, they said we should not trust the magician because he is very dangerous. So because of that danger, because of that we should not take the risk and we should kill him.